Samsung hasn't changed the Galaxy Z Fold design since the second generation model that came out in 2020, so it's perhaps unsurprising that we are expecting the Fold 5 to look quite similar to the company's current foldable flagship. But a new leak from the reliable tipster Ice Universe shows exactly how little change to expect. The leak shared what appears to be the frame of both the upcoming lineup next to the current generation, bringing the relocation of the flashlight to the right of the cameras, which shows there appears to be no change whatsoever. In the follow-up tweet, he placed the two frames atop of one another with some red lines. Ice Universe shows that the width of the Fold 5 external screen is going to be remain unchanged too, and it's going to be remaining tall and thin in the contrast than freshly announced Google Pixel Fold, which has more traditional aspect ratio when folded, and that's a pity, as existing thin design does make typing a little bit more challenging, and unfolding just to send it a quick text feels like an awkward unnecessary additional step. Definitely it's going to be not good thing to have. Aside from the phrase "it aren't broken, don't fix it" comes to in mind, the Galaxy Fold 4 is superbly designed handset, and there is a solid argument for Samsung to continue making small iterative changes. We have already heard the phone will be thinner and lighter this time around thanks to the adoption of the new teardrop hinge design, which is going to be nice because it will also reduce the crease, and the overall folding device is going to be having no gap in there, which is great news. And on the inside, we are fully expecting the Fold 5 to adopt the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor for a welcome speed boost, perhaps more than expected. Prompted benchmark shows a big uptick in the performance frame, even the Galaxy S23 Ultra, suggesting that Samsung has made some progress in optimizing its for Galaxy chips. Still, if you are starting to find the design of the Samsung foldable a bit stale, good news may be coming next year. One earlier believer that Galaxy Fold 6 is going to see a major form factor change, and what form that change take remains to be seen, but if that sounds even slightly tempting, it may be worth sitting this generation out and seeing what Samsung has up its sleeves for 2024 instead. And you guys, that is into this particular video. So how do you like this newer same design language of Samsung upcoming foldable? Let us know down in the comment section below, and if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.